and welcome, my name's Gemma. Today we're going to do bridge pose, Setu Bandha Sarvangasana. And this is a great pose to really get into the glutes and to help with the back. So thankfully we're down on the floor. Now for this pose, once again, really easy to modify. Use a block if you need to, or you can, if you don't have a block, not to worry, you can use a nice thick block, the dictionary, for example. Oh, I said block, not book. Hi and welcome, my name's Gemma. Today we're going to be doing bridge pose, Setu Bandha Sarvangasana, a great pose to really work the glutes and to get into the hips and back. So we're going to come down to the floor. With this, you can always use a block for a prop. And if you don't have a block, do not worry, you can always use a thick book, for example, the dictionary or the latest novel that you're reading. So come to lie down on the floor. This is great to improve the circulation, it calms the nervous system, and it really stimulates the lungs and the abdominal organs. So coming to lie down, if you are pregnant, you're going to lie down like this to come onto your back, same for postpartum. Otherwise, just come to lie on your back and allow the soles of the feet to be on the floor. With this, I say it's good just to be able to tickle the heels with your fingers. So if they're too far out, just bring them that little bit in so you can tickle the back. From here, just tuck the chin into the chest so you can elongate through the neck. Now, if you're not using any props, from here, you're going to take a nice deep inhale in, and then exhale, you're going to start to roll up. So start by lifting the hips, lifting up through the back. Now, maybe you want to stay here, making sure that the knees, the hips, and the shoulders are all in line. And this is really great, especially for postpartum, to bring those muscles back together. If you want to go a little bit further, you can start to interlace the hands into a fist, tuck the shoulders under, and then push up, coming into the full variation of bridge. Make sure that your knees are not flopping out to the side. Really draw them in together, breathing in and breathing out. On the exhale, you're gently going to roll all the way down. Now, what's a great way to do this, and it can be a really nice position, is to take the block and just position it underneath your sacrum. You can do it flat, or you can start to work it up until you come up onto the top setting. But here, you can just hang out, placing it underneath, get a little bit of an arch, working your way up into a higher and higher position, and you can just hang out here, breathing in, breathing out. When you come to release, engage those glutes, lift up, remove the block, and once again, rolling down through the spine. A nice release to follow this pose is to just give the legs a little wipe from side to side, or you can bring the knees into the chest and give yourself a nice big hug.